Hi, my name is Heather Kelly. I'm a dental hygienist with TePe Oral Hygiene Products. I am here to introduce you to the TePe products and how to use them. TePe Gentle Care is a very soft toothbrush recommended after oral surgery and for patients with sore or very fragile oral tissue, sensitive root surfaces, extremely dry mouth, and after radiotherapy. TePe Gentle Care is slightly firmer than TePe Special Care. This brush is ideal while tissue continues to heal and before transitioning back to your standard toothbrush. The neck of the brush can be angled in hot water for better access. When deciding to use this toothbrush, it is best to consult your dental professional. When using the Gentle Care toothbrush, place the bristles towards your gums at a 45-degree angle so that the bristles sweep along the gum line, and then slowly move it around your mouth in small back and forth motions. Look in the mirror to assure that you place the brush properly. Again, please consult with your dental professional before using, especially around tender areas in the mouth. Thank you for taking the time to learn about our products. Please visit our website for more information.